How to create a string value in Python. Welcome to Python courses by Coder Being. String is a sequence of characters. For example, in the string the characters H, E, L, L, O, single space, W, O, R, L, and D are the sequence of characters. To define a string value in Python, you write single quotes around the sequence of characters. Or you can use double quotes. Now you can assign the string value to a variable, say x. Or you can use the string in an expression. Let us write a Python program where we create a string value, assign it to a variable, x, then print the string value. Run the program and you will get this printed in the console output. Now, let us use the string value in an expression. In the second line, the string value hello world is used in string concatenation expression. Run the program and you will get this printed in the console output. This is how you can create a string in Python. Thank you.